Neuroplasticity is a huge deal, in particular for human beings, because neuroplasticity is the way that we continue to shape our understanding of the outside world. Your nervous system's main job is to make predictions about what's going to happen in the outside world and to be able to respond in an adaptive way. It's really a prediction machine. So neuroplasticity, this change of the nervous system in response to experience, is the way that your nervous system updates its maps of prediction. I would subject you to an experiment. You would be rewarded for intentionally looking in the opposite direction of a sound, for instance, like that. If you did that enough times and with enough focus and attention, you would get so-called neuroplasticity. Those maps would shift and change such that a week later, a month later, maybe even 10 years later, if you heard a click over there, there's a higher probability that you would look in the opposite direction. We also have maps of prediction for things like emotional responses. We have neurons, which are nerve cells, but those nerve cells have an incredible capacity to change their patterns of connections. Their points of connection are actually little spaces called synapses. And synapses are where these different neurons transfer electrical and chemical information between each other. And basically your entire experience, what you sense, what you perceive, what you think, what you feel, and what you're able to do or not do is dictated by those patterns of electrical activity and chemicals. Neuroplasticity is literally changes in the patterns of connections between those neurons.